Happy December, guys. But hold on a minute. Can someone just come and explain to me, how did we get to December? How did we get here? I thought it took 11 months to get to December. But this year, I went to bed, it was March. I remember it was March 13 last night when I went to bed. And when I woke up, it's December. I'm like, Aibo, when did December arrive? What happened? How did you get to December? And it's not even the first day of December. December has already started. How? I was still like trying to write down my New Year's resolutions, trying to put my 2023 together, and already we are in the final month of the year. How did we get here? Somebody please come and explain to me. How did we get here? I don't even know what I did in my 11 months of 2023. I'm sure even Oscar Pistorius did more in the 11 years he had in prison than the time I have. Like, guys, I am so confused. I really don't understand what is happening. How did we get to December? I have done nothing. I have saved no money. I was still planning like to even get into a stokvel. I'm like, hi, guys, can you add me? And everyone's like, no. It's the end of the year. Everything. Like, how did we get here? Someone, please explain. How did we get here? How did we come to December without going through the other months? And none of you even thought of just giving me a wake-up call, just saying, hey, Sister Tenji, we're now in April, we're now in June, we're now in August, so that at least I have an idea of what's happening. How do I go to bed? It's March, and I wake up, it's December. It just doesn't make sense to me. Whoever is responsible for the months of the year, whoever chowed the money for the tender of making the months of the year happen, please return the money and bring us the correct month of the year, because this thing is not make sure. This is not make sure. I don't understand what is happening. Like, how did we get here? It makes no sense to me. Absolutely no sense. But okay, we are here now. Happy December, guys. Let's go and answer them. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.